Can I feel the Can I take a picture of it?
You can take a picture, but don't lean on the table because it shakes what she's doing.
Well, you have an
Hatch year male.
which means it was born prior to this.
It might flash a little.
That's okay.
It'll flash. She's still trying back.
Just take the picture, Jane.
No.
Oh,
Brought to me.
To do it?
thank you.
You're
Can I
welcome.
feel it? That's the treat.
Jane, Penny left her work. She's working.
But I want to feel it.
Okay, you'll have to ask this man over here in the red shirt. She's banding the bird, but she
I'm
doesn't
watching
let you
her
feel
band
it.
the
The man in the red
All right,
shirt.
so
like mine.
hatch year male.
Yeah.
Can I feel a hummingbird?
You can touch them, okay?
Yay.
Just with your fingers, okay?
I'm just watching them.
520.
It's got 519. Oh yes, it's 520. That's 51.
Giving me a heart attack, Dorian.
Sorry.
Is it a girl or a boy?
This one's a boy.
I'm sorry we don't have time for that, Cindy.
Okay. May I have your ticket?
Does that work a little better?
And I need your name.
Just put, yeah, you didn't have to match what's over there.
39.75.
I'm a birdie.
25. 4 gorget feathers. 15.64. Grooves are 85.
It's
348. No fat.